Now, I like the idea of the tablet holder, but after using it for a couple of months, I've found some issues that I just don't like. So I've decided to go back to my tablet holder that I designed, which is very, very simple. I don't have any of the issues that I have with this one. The only thing I'm not going to get from it is, of course, the inside storage, which honestly, I don't really use that much. Everything is thrown around in there, so I'd rather keep my stuff someplace else. But let me show you why I decided to take this off and go back to my tablet holder. Number one, and this won't affect everybody, but with the CFMOTO flip-up windshield, I can keep it open, it's not an issue, but I cannot close it fully. Even with my handle here, I can close it down and keep it vented, and I designed this handle, but with the stock handle, it comes up this way. You can't even do this. So I designed a handle that I can at least keep the windshield vented instead of fully up, especially in the colder months here. But this is the main reason that I'm not using this anymore, and I'm going to go back to my tablet holder. Another reason is this has some issues. Like when you've got your tablet in here, it will find, no matter how hard you tighten this down, it will eventually find a way to where your tablet is wiggling out of this thing. If you put your phone in there, it does the same thing. And then you have the issue on sometimes the harder bumps that you hit, this thing will actually fall down. And sometimes you can see just like that without even hitting the button, you know, it can come down. Doesn't latch too well. So overall, you've got some rusting down here on the pins. There's nothing to rust on this. Very, very simple. Everything stays in place. So I have heard before that I don't want to drill anything into my dash in order to install anything, but if you see here, you have to make 4 holes if you want to use this from CFMOTO. Those are right here. You can see you have to drill these holes here, these holes there, in order to put push pins in. With my tablet, you're only going to need to drill these 2 holes. All of that is in the installation video that is attached to, you've got a link in the description of the tablet holder. So we get this installed, show you guys exactly what it does. Okay, guys, so there's my tablet holder. These are available in different colors, but nice thing is now whether you've got my handle or the stock handle, you can close this all the way now. So in these cold winter months, you've got everything closed. You don't have to leave it like I've had to open. So these tablet holders, they're cheap, they're easy, they do well. The tablets don't slide out, you know, they do pretty good. I like them. They're on the website. Pick one up and you guys have fun on the trails.